channel, or if you guys are new here, hi, I'm Straw Hat Tiffany, and this vlog we are going to Barnes & Noble and probably get some coffee. I'm going to take you guys along with me, so see you guys there. While we were on our way there, I literally just noticed, why does this low-key look like the White House? For the people that live in the valley, you guys know where this is at. Sorry for the bit of shaking during the car ride, but hey, at least I was listening to some bomb music. Finally arrived at the plaza where they have the Barnes & Noble. I also love coming to this place because it has stunning architecture. We also came during like the late afternoon because it was really hot earlier. I think I bring sunglasses because the sun was literally hitting my eyes. The other stores they have here is a Rolex, a Lululemon. I've never been there personally. In the center, of course, is Barnes & Noble, which they showcase all their books and Lego sets that they have. Here's the outside of Barnes & Noble. Let's go inside. Here's the inside, and I love the layout. Coming back with the Holy Trinity. Like, got y'all back. Dad. Oh yeah, Dad's like
checking the views of that.
He's checking, like, take a break. Oh, Dad's gonna take a little break. Wow, a little nap. Hello.
They have
He's like,
contacted
gotta sit
the
while
building.
these children are out. Here we are finally making our way towards the manga section. We finally arrived, and look how much is in stock.
Chainsaw Man? No. A bromance edition.
You mean Yaoi edition? AO3 Yaoi edition.
Nah.
Which one's the real Yaoi? This one? Or this one?
Okay.
This one? Yes. The lock is real Yaoi. I did not walk. I did not skip. I ran to the manga section because we got the Holy Grail. Here they have Eden Zero, Fire Force, and some Haikyuu. Okay guys, I finally found the One Piece section. Here they have some Luffy blind boxes. Well, they only have one now. And they have some of like the One Piece ships. Oh look, there's the Sunny. It'd be so cool and cute to have one of those. They also have like these little blind boxes inside the tin, but I can't open it sadly. Here's the rest of the mangas that they have in stock. Okay guys, so guess what this book is about. If you're guessing from the cover, you're gonna think, oh, it's for kids. No, it's the exact opposite. It's... yeah, that's what it pretty much is. It's obviously covered, so makes sense why it is. There's also a section solely of anime figures, which I found it pretty cool that it has a separate section. Also found some Apothecary Diary books, and oh my gosh, look at the cover, it's so pretty. Mainly watching the anime, but I really recommend this if you're into mystery and romance. So here's the Nana and Naruto section. I would say the Naruto one is pretty small, only filled with figures. Gee, I love this cover. How do you pronounce Nana?
Nana. I say Nana.
Okay, little story time. One of our pugs is named Nala, but we call her Nana sometimes, and it's kind of funny. Also had the Look Back manga, which I've heard pretty good things about it. Also a bit of sad stuff. I know it's by the creator of Chainsaw Man. And the art looks pretty cool as well. Can't really flip through the pages that well because I'm recording with my other hand. Let me put it back now. I love how the Hunter x Hunter manga is like right on the top. There's some of the others like Initial D, Shojo. I'm surprised that the Jujutsu Kaisen section is more stocked than the Naruto one. Still need to continue watching it though. Some more shoujo mangas. Oh, they also have another Apothecary Diaries, Attack on Titan, Baki. OMG guys, look what I found. I found Cinderella Closet. I actually saw the live action show first and wow, it was pretty amazing. Got really hooked on it and I just loved the acting plot. And if you're wondering what's it about, it's about this girl and this cross-dresser fall in love. Got the don 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 section pretty stocked too. Oh, look at this blind box, it's so cute. Wait, $14? Oh, I'm gonna put it back, I guess. How colorful they all look. Just look what I found. I found Turbo Granny. I feel like people who haven't watched the show, they're like, oh, that's just a cat. Like, no, that's Turbo Granny. So adorable. Here in the D section, they got Death Note and Demon Slayer. I'm curious to see how the manga looks. Look what I also found. I found the Gachiakata series, the first one, and the color page. Trying to flip. I love this show. Finished season 1 already. Trying to continue the manga too. Don't mind how it looks like right there. It's not how it looks. Let's see what my sister's looking at right now.
Here we go again with the isekai really long names.
I was reincarnated as a heroine on the verge of determined to fall in love.
Bro, I can't even read that.
That was a mouthful. And a decent 2-word title book.
I know. We're going right here. Jujutsu Kaisen and Sukuna kind of looking zesty right now. And some of the covers, which I don't want to show, are also kind of zesty. Oh, look at this manga. It's called Otaku Vampires of Bite, and it's the creator of Kami-sama Kiss, which looks so interesting. I know it's gonna be good. It's supernatural X-romance. Like, I know there's gonna be some drama here. A lot of wholesome moments as well. Well, I wonder what Rainbow Days is about. The art style looks so cute. Wait. Why is there so many rent-a-girlfriend? I'm like, is it really that good, guys? Like, I don't think the story is that deep, especially if it's not fantasy and it's just a bunch of, I don't know. 20 volumes is crazy. Now, since I'm about to leave the manga section, I'm gonna give like a full quick tour of all the books and mangas and the ones I probably forgot as well. I would go through all of them. It would take for hours to go through all of them, and there's so many good manga, guys. Like, I wish I could go through all of them. I also have Witch Hat Atelier, which is so refreshing. It's my dad and my brother already just chilling and sitting down. He's like reading a book about Mexico. We were literally in the manga section for like 2 straight hours. Decided to stop by the plus section next, and oh my gosh, look at how cute all these plushies are. Still trying to find the Miffy Halloween plush, but sadly it wasn't here. But hey, at least these cool blind boxes. We made our final pick. We got fragrant flowers.
Oh,
Robin.
What? Bro, what? What's that? Both trying to ignore.
Vivi and Perona.
Oh, I love it. After we were at the bookstore, we decided to take a little bit of a walk around. Especially since it's sunset, it looks so pretty here to calm me. Also love cafes and stores. They love fancy restaurants since it is Calabasas. View looks so gorgeous from here too. Oh, look at the grandfather with his sons, and they're like looking at the turtles. They're trying to get to them, and oh, I also realized that they had the La La Land cafe here, but it's sadly closed. Maybe next time. Oh, I was walking around. Look, there's literally a turtle just right here and out and about, so I decided to kind of touch it. Like, oh, I like how it just let it me a little bit. It was so friendly. Oh, so adorable. Also like these statues on the pond, which makes it look so unique. Inside this ice cream, here's what the price was for a small, and it was $8. We decided to just get some Starbucks instead, and way more affordable. I even got these snacks. Not me here thinking I'm a main character while reading this. One of my hairs is literally looking wacky right now. My venti strawberry acai with my manga. Of course, the trio too. Here's the view from the plaza at night, and it literally looks like it's glowing from here. Hello guys, so this will be all for today's vlog, and if you guys enjoyed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye!